Search engine optimization, SEO, is an essential aspect of any online marketing strategy. It can help businesses of all sizes increase their online visibility and drive more traffic to their website. However, SEO can be a complex and time-consuming process, requiring specialized knowledge and expertise. Webfire 3.0 automation is a powerful tool that can help businesses of all sizes, including small businesses, to do their own SEO. With its advanced automation capabilities, Webfire 3.0 can help businesses save time and resources while increasing their online visibility and driving more leads and sales. One of the key features of Webfire 3.0 automation for DIY SEO is its ability to automate repetitive tasks such as keyword research, website optimization, and link building. This can save businesses a significant amount of time and effort, allowing them to focus on other important tasks such as content creation and customer engagement. Webfire 3.0 also offers a wide range of tools and features to help businesses improve their online visibility and drive more traffic to their website. These include keyword research tools, website optimization tools, and link building tools. These tools can help businesses identify and target the most relevant keywords and phrases, optimize their website for search engines, and build high-quality backlinks to boost their search engine rankings. In addition, Webfire 3.0 provides a range of analytics and reporting tools that allow businesses to track and measure the success of their SEO campaigns. These tools can provide valuable insights into the performance of different campaigns, allowing businesses to identify areas for improvement and make data-driven decisions. Webfire 3.0 automation is a user-friendly platform and it provides step-by-step instructions, video tutorials, and an extensive knowledge base that can help businesses to understand the basics of SEO and how to use the Webfire 3.0 platform to improve their online visibility and drive more traffic to their website. Overall, Webfire 3.0 automation is a powerful and versatile tool that can help businesses of all sizes, including small businesses and entrepreneurs, to do their own SEO and improve their online visibility, drive more traffic to their website, and increase their leads and sales. With Webfire 3.0, businesses can achieve their SEO goals and grow their business without the need for expensive agency or consultant fees. Click the link below in description to watch a demonstration on how Webfire 3.0 can help you.